Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk a bit on oblique object. If you want to know about direct object and indirect object, I have already made video on that. Link in the description. Watch that video as well. That will be helpful for you. So what does oblique object mean? A noun or noun phrase related to a verb by preposition. The main thing in oblique object, that is preposition. And its second definition is any noun phrase that is a complement of a preposition is an oblique object. Means any noun phrase which is a complement of a preposition, that is oblique object. We will also understand it by examples as well, whereas the prepositional phrase is itself the complement of a verb. If the beneficiary of a verb is a complement, these three words are important. By these three words we make prepositional oblique object. So these are prepositions of, to, for. These are also called oblique. The oblique object is also called the object of preposition. Means oblique object second name we can use, that is object of preposition. It can be similar to the indirect object. Oblique object is just similar to indirect object, but difference is it occurs in a prepositional phrase. We will understand it by example in our heading slide. Any noun phrase that is a complement of a preposition is an oblique or object of preposition. So here is examples. Michael made a colorful blanket for me. Now here for is the what? For is preposition and me is oblique. We have to go to the market for some food supplies. Now we have two oblique or objects of preposition. The first is to is preposition, market is oblique. The second is for is preposition, food supplies is oblique. So I hope you got the examples of oblique object. Here we have another examples as well. Mahi was operated on by a doctor. Now it's passive voice. So where we have oblique objects in this sentence, we have an oblique object, that is a doctor. A doctor is what? Oblique object. And what is accompanied by a prepositional phrase, that is by. So by is a prepositional phrase that is accompanied by a oblique object. And here are many examples, like Catherine wrote to John. To is what? To is oblique and John is what? John is noun, but if we combine this, so to is preposition and John is noun, so it becomes a oblique object. The same, Joseph went to California. She brought a guitar for Ellie. For is what? Preposition and Ellie is what? That noun. But in noun these are oblique objects. The Braze was killed by a thief. By is what? Preposition and a thief is what? Oblique object. Tanya gave the earphones to Samreen. So to is what? Preposition and to Samreen is what? Object, means oblique object. So thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you. See you in the next video.